We will learn and practice on 1, on 2, slow and fast. The move on 1 and on 2 is the same. Be sure to practice both. Let's go and practice cross basic 4. We'll start basic on 1, slow. Did you know that cross B4 is cross B3 but to the back? See for yourself. Let's go with the left, step and cross to the back. With the right, step and cross to the back, basic. So make sure to go over cross B3 in the lick below. Let's go again with the count. 1, 3, 5, 7, basic. Notice that we only use the 1, 3, 5 and 7. Let's go again. 1, 3, get ready for full speed. 1 basic, let's go. 1, and let's go. Basic. 1 more time. Let's go. 1, 3, 5, 7. Basic. Last time. Let's go. Yeah, doing great. Repetition is the mother of skill. So let's do it again. Slow. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Sure you are. Let's go with the left. Step and cross. With the right, step and cross. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Yeah, let's go. 1 more. 1, 3, 5, 7. Basic. Last time slow. And don't forget to smile. Yeah, looking good. Let's go. Get ready for full speed. 1 basic, let's go. And go. 1, 3, 5, 7, basic. 1 more time. Basic. Give me 1 more, yeah. Let's go. Now let's practice on 2. Basic is different, but the move is exactly the same. Basic on 2, slow. And then just start with your right. Step with the right and cross. Now with the left. Step with the left and cross. Basic on 2. You see, it is exactly the same on 1 and on 2. Just start with the right. Again. 1, 3. And with the left. 5, 7. Basic. Notice again that we use only the 1, 3, 5, and 7 counts. Let's go again. 1, 3. Get ready for full speed. Let's go. Basic. Yeah. And let's go. Basic. 1 more time. Ready? Go. 1, 5. Basic. Last time. Yeah. Practice makes progress. And if you do it enough, it makes permanent. So let's do it again. Slow. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? I know you are. Let's go with the right. Step and cross. With the left. Step and cross. Basic. And make sure not to miss the master tip at the end. Let's go again. 1, 3, 5, 7. Basic. Did you know that cross B4 is cross B3 but to the back? See for yourself. Let's go. 1, 3, and get ready for full speed. Basic. Let's go. 1. Let's go. Basic. Doing great. Yeah. 1 more. 1, 5. Basic. Last time. You ready? Let's go. 1, 5. Now let's practice face to face. I want to see you. I'll flip the screen so you can follow along. Continue basic on 2 slow. And let's go for 3 in a row. Starting with the right. 1, 3. Yeah. No basic. Again with the right and with the left. 1 more time. With the right. Get ready for full speed. 1 basic. Let's go. And 3 in a row again. Go. 1, 3, 5, 7. Second time. And third time. Basic. Now let's do everything on 1. Starting basic on 1, slow. Let's go. And let's do 3 in a row again, starting with the left. Go. No basic. Yeah. Again. 1, 3, 5, 7. Last time. Get ready to full speed with a basic. Go. And let's do 3 in a row. 1, 5. Second time. 1, 5. Last time. 1, 5. Yeah, well done. And thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation and spins. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you cannot get it wrong. So keep practicing, and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day: make sure to bend your knees and not locking them.